Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. We have a lot of firsts to go through. First off, I have a new tripod. Second off, I did it guys, I got a new glue gun. We don't have to worry about the tragic looking one that I had previously. And today we are going through a new template that I purchased. It's called a Gemini bow. And it is split. So I will lay out the pieces for you so you can see. It's literally split right in half. Each layer has two pieces and then there's the center. I cut these out with my Cricut onto a craft board. I would really recommend, if you have a Cricut, cutting your templates out this way. It was so much easier. If you don't have a Cricut, I've showed you guys before how to do templates using printing them out on paper and then backing them up on cardboard. That also works fine. Most of my templates are like that, but now that I figured out how to do it on the Cricut, you can believe I'm going to be doing it on the Cricut from now on. So for this tutorial, you are going to need obviously the templates. You are going to need glitter canvas or faux leather. I am using brand new glitter canvas that I got. I got them in big, huge rolls. Let me lay these out really quick. Wasn't sure what color I wanted to use for the center, so I cut one of each out. But I ordered my glitter canvas in rolls, as you can see. They're pretty decent size. Let me lift this up a little bit. There we go. Please ignore my messy workspace, but that is the roll. It's a decent sized. I'm actually quite pleased with them. I bought them in several different colors. I will link those down below for you guys. I think one roll cost me like, each color had a different price, but I want to say on average it's about $12 for a roll, which if you're buying sheets, you know that you're spending far more than that. But these are the pieces already cut up. Like I said, I cut two centers because I wasn't sure which one I was going to use. You're going to need the clip of your choice. I am using an alligator clip that is 2 3/4 inches long. You're going to need your glue gun, obviously, scissors to cut out the pieces if you're tracing them by hand, and if not, use your Cricut. Okay, this is the first go round for this new glue gun, guys. I am so excited. And now you have to decide, once you have your pieces cut, which side you like it better. I'm going to leave it like this. We're going to glue the spikes together first because you guys know I like the spikes done as the base. I should have prepped this glue gun because now it's just like, nah, I don't want to pump out any glue. There we go. It needed a couple of pumps off camera, guys. Sorry. Like I said, brand new glue gun. I have not even used this yet. So we are christening the glue gun with this video. So put a line of glue and you're going to overlap the pieces. Just like that. Bring it up so you guys can see. Pinch just to make sure it's stuck. So you're just going to overlap the pieces. Normally I would, after this next step, which is gluing the clip to the spikes, I would put the center wrap. But as we're not sure which center wrap we're using yet, I can't exactly put that in. But gluing the clip on now is going to help stabilize that section that you glued together. Also, if you find, like me, you make a little bit of mess with your glue gun where it leaks out, 10 out of 10 would recommend, if I could get it out of the little jar, getting orange sticks. I got a big, huge bunch from Amazon, because you can just go in. They're, you use them in manicures and stuff, but I find it works great for this because it's small. You can get into areas that your finger can't reach. Or if you're like me and fingernail challenged, where your fingernails are going to break the minute you try to do this with your fingernails. There we go. So that is the base. We're going to work to put the other pieces together. And while we're doing that, I am going to debate on what color I want to use for the center wrap. And just like the spikes, you're going to run a little line of glue on the pieces and then overlap that middle. Now, in theory, if you wanted to do this, you could flip the pieces to where, you know, pink's on the left, gold would be on the left the next time around, and pink would be on the left on the top. I'm going to do a true split, so it's going to be like that. However, you have options for this, and I think you could make some really interesting bows with this template. I was very intrigued when I saw it on Etsy, so I had to purchase it right away. And then you're going to add glue to the tabs, bring them in. So far, guys, I'm really impressed with this glitter canvas. It's thick, but not too thick. It cut like a dream. Honestly, I hand cut this and it cut like a dream. I always like to shape the loops on these bows as I finish gluing. It's usually just pushing, holding the center and pushing on the loop like that. Gets it nice and fluffy. Put that off to the side. I'm going to add a little line of glue on that top piece. And again, glue each side to the other. If there are any Etsy, are there any templates on Etsy that you would like to see me try? If you're on the fence about purchasing them and you would like to see me try them before, so you can decide if you like them or not, please drop them down in the comment section below. I would love to have a couple more new styles to work with. And again, oh no, I didn't go far enough with that one. Sorry, trying to work around the tripod here. Let's try that one more time. Much better. And do the same to the other side. Line of glue on the tab and then bring it to the center. Now, as I was saying, if you wanted to flip it, you could do something like this, and I think it would be a really interesting bow. Trying to show you while holding my fingers there. There we go. Could be a really interesting bow to have it split like that, but I'm going to follow the true split for today. So we're going to stack it just like that. Now, before we go any further, I am going to layer the centers around and see what I like the best. Trying to hold all of these layers together is a little difficult. I honestly don't think that either one stands out more than the other. But I think I'm going to go with gold. So we're going to take those loops off. We'll put them together in a minute. But you guys know I like gluing the center wrap in before we attach everything. Make sure that it adheres inside the clip. When you do it at this stage, you're able to hold on to the other side as well. And it makes being able to pinch it so much easier. Okay. And we're going to add a little drop of glue there. We're going to attach the two loops together. I think after this I'm going to try to do the flipped look that I gave you previously. I'll have to put that at the end of the video so you guys can see what it looks like that. And we're going to attach all of the layers together. Keep moving my mat around. And then take the center wrap and bring it around. This is not as long of a center wrap as I personally like, but this is how it came with the template, so we are just going to have to work with it. I tend to like a little bit longer so that I have more of an end to grab at this point. But this works fine. Let the glue set for a minute. I do the final tweak with the loops at this point, just making sure they're fluffed. Just like that. And then you clip off the tiny little bit of an excess down here. That flew across my desk. I'll have to find that later. Not necessary, but helpful. You can take a lighter and heat up the glitter canvas and push it down. It tends to melt it in a little bit, so the end isn't noticeable. And there you go, guys. We have a Gemini bow. Like I said, I'm going to do this to where this side is flipped. I'll put that at the end along with a picture of this one so you guys can see the variations you can do with this. But I really like it. I think it is an interesting bow and has a lot of possibilities. During sports time, you can do house divided bows. You can do school color bows, a print and a solid. The possibilities are endless. I just wanted to try using the two rolls of glitter, well, two of the rolls of glitter canvas that I got. I got another 4 rolls. So hopefully I'll be getting more. But that is the bow. Thank you guys for watching. I will leave all of the links for the glitter canvas rolls, the templates, and even my new glue gun. I will leave those links down below. I do not get paid if you guys purchase those items. As always, I just give you guys the links so that you can purchase if you're interested. I make it so much easier because I hate watching videos and trying to figure out where people got the item. So I tend to do that for you, but I do not make any money if you purchase any of the links in any of my videos, unless it is denoted that it is a sponsorship and, you know, I got something in exchange for it. This isn't sponsored in any way. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Our next video is going to be a Snow White themed bow. So make sure to tune in for that. I appreciate all of you. We are growing subscribers daily. And I'm so happy to see that. We are getting closer to the subscriber giveaway. So make sure you are subscribed if you are watching this. I have a lot of stuff for you guys. I will pull out what I have so far. I have two packs to give away to you guys. But we have ribbon. There's about 40 yards of ribbon in each one. And then a bunch of flowers and headbands. So this is a lot of stuff, guys, and I cannot wait to send it to the winners. But if you would like to get a shot at getting it, please make sure you subscribe. If you like this video, please click the like button. It's somewhere around there. Click the share button if there's somebody you think that might like this video, who would want to make this type of bow. If you are not subscribed, again, please subscribe. The button's somewhere around there. And right next to it is a bell. Click the bell, set your notifications to all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I am uploading every Monday, so it is regular weekly content. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down in the box below. If you have any templates you would like me to use, I'm not sure you can leave links down below, but you can always message me on our Instagram page, which the link is in the description box. Message me on Instagram and I will get the link, I will get the template when I can to try it out for you guys. Also check out our Instagram. That's where we post photos of, you know, teaser photos, things like that. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Again, I cannot say that enough, how much I really appreciate you guys. You are all amazing and wonderful. And I am so lucky to have you guys subscribe to me and want to watch my content. I will be doing Temu haul videos coming soon, so keep your eye out for those. Thank you guys for watching again and again and again and again, and I will see you next time. Bye.